Morning chaps, Gary from Alfred's here. Been asked about some repairs I've done on a few things using FibreFix, so I thought I'd just show you how I'm going to go about a repair now. For those of you that might need to do obviously a repair on various items and give you an idea how this stuff works. So I'm just going to turn the camera around. Here's a couple of repairs I've already done. This is on a gutter vac, you can see here and here, so two places where it was kinking, not very soft. I mean, that you can't actually see, but that's actually rock solid, and that's been done, I don't know, good 6 months now or whatever. Absolutely brilliant. Another repair I did inside the van, you can see down here, this is a flexi pipe which leads to an external outlet for the water supply. That's in there, and again that's held pretty good. There's a very slight leak which you can just about see there. That's probably because I didn't do it particularly brilliantly, to be honest, but for the most part it's absolutely perfect. Today is on this small carbon fibre pole. If I just flip it round, you can see there, see that hairline crack just at the top? I mean, that's just come from use obviously, but particularly when you're scrubbing and things like that, as opposed to just general perhaps window cleaning. I'm on a job today cleaning some PVC down, and so there's a lot of sideways movement, and that's where this sort of extra stress comes from. So I'm going to basically repair this section here. It hasn't given out yet because it's still held in by the clamp, but eventually it's going to give. So just to strengthen it up, I'm going to cover it up along this section using one of these, this is what I'm talking about, FibreFix, various size rolls. I've got all sorts in here, but I'll show you how it goes once I get started. Alright, first of all, we're going to obviously just give this a clean up. And then we're going to select the right patch for this repair. So the one we're going to use on this repair is this one here, which is 3 rolls in a pack, and the rolls are 3 centimeters by 102 centimeters. So it should be enough to overlap and make a good solid joint. So what you get inside the pack is, in this case there's 3 rolls, but I've already used 2, so there's a 1 roll which is sealed, and you also get the instructions with 3 pairs of gloves, like so. You also got a bit of sanding paper if need be to add an extra key, which I'll do just quickly on this one. Literally just needs a quick rub over to give it a bit of a key. So what I like about these, it's relatively easy to do an in-field repair or do a quick repair, obviously at your workshop, etc. Just clean that dust off. Also inside this pack you get this rubber sheet like so, which needs to be put over the top of the repair just to hold it tight. We'll put that aside for a moment. Yeah, so what we need to do, so I've got my gloves on, we need to immerse this wrap once I've opened the pack. Just immerse it in water for 5 seconds. Nice kinky black gloves. So yeah,
literally take the pack out, which is in the sealed pack. There's the pack there. Just literally drop it in water for 5 seconds. It acts very quickly, so you've got to work fast once you've done this part, once you've opened it there and immersed it in water. And pretty much you've got to go to work. So the first wrap, I'm going to start at the top here, as tight as you can. Make sure it overlaps initially, and each one doing as tight as you can, wrapping round, overlapping. You can see, but I'm doing this, as I said, as tight as I can. And that's the last of the roll. So I've just about covered that crack. There's the last part there. Just wrap it in. And then with this plastic strap, the idea is with this is, again, as tight as you can. He says, easier said than done. This is just to help keep it all secure while it sets. Does that sometimes. It's not that strong as plastic, but it does the job. Right. So that's it, job done. Now it sets hard. I remember the instructions. So it's only waiting 10 to 15 minutes to allow it to fully cure. And I'll remove the black vinyl strip, and everything should be good. So I'll show you what it's like once it's finished. Right guys, here we are after literally, you can see that, 16 minutes. So we'll just take the cover off. Obviously you can't tell on the camera, but that is absolutely solid. It does recommend you overlapping these about 2 to 4 times, I think it is. I've actually haven't overlapped it that much, because that's talking more about when you've got quite major repairs. This was a hairline crack, just wanted to prevent it go any worse, but you know, it's advertised as stronger than, well, on this one here it says 100 times stronger than duct tape. Some of them says stronger than steel. You know, forgetting you buy and stuff, and you know, make this pole last a lot longer, you know, and prevent that crack getting any worse. And like I showed you earlier, the other repairs on the water pipe and the gutter vac, hose, gutter vac hose. It's a big thumbs up for me, so that's FibreFix. As I said earlier, FibreFix. I got these originally, it was through a Facebook promo. I got a whole job lot from America. You know, not the cheapest of things, but they do the job. You know, do the job very well in my opinion. So, hope that helps you guys. Have a good day.